This is Nash with Virtual Tech. To repair Windows using automatic repair, go to the Start menu, then click Settings. In the Settings window, look for and click Update and Security. In the left pane, look for Recovery. Then we will see Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Your system will restart and go to Advanced Startup. In Advanced Startup, you have the option to use the device, but we're going to click Troubleshoot. We can also reset the PC, but this is a worst case option. Let's go to Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, we will see various different options to repair the computer, but we will choose Startup Repair. After we wait, Startup Repair will give us the option to choose the account. Your account may be different. Choose the correct account. You may be required to enter a password. Click Continue. It is currently diagnosing our PC. We will need to wait and see if the startup was repaired. As you can see, the startup repair didn't work. It didn't work because there was no issues with our repair. But you can still see a log file here, and you can try other options by clicking Advanced Options. Here in Advanced Options, we can see we can use a device such as a DVD or a startup repair disk. We will go back to Troubleshoot. We'll click Advanced Options again. This time we'll click Startup Settings. Here in Startup Settings, once it loads, we'll be able to choose different options to boot the system, such as Safe Mode or to Low Resolution Video Mode. You can also press F10 for more options to launch a recovery environment. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for visiting our channel. Virtual Tech's mission statement is to assist as many YouTubers as possible in addressing their Mac, PC, and mobile device issues. We actually respond to the text messages we receive. So if you have any nagging questions relating to computer or mobile device issues, please text Tech Issue to 818-732-9142, and we will promptly release a video on our channel with your question addressed. If you want us to keep providing free content, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can also donate to our channel by looking in the YouTube description of all our videos. If you would like to join our team in creating video content, text Content Creator Job, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and enjoy our content.